Good luck to you, my friend.
Good luck. Is it on?
Yeah?
You're going to win.
You're going to need the luck, mate.
You can edit that to say you're going to win.
I don't know what the f you're talking about.
On the 2nd of November 2019, Operation Broken Arrow will be in full effect. A military stealth aircraft has disappeared off the radar, carrying the latest in nuclear weaponry. Local militia must not get their hands on ANZ-10. Coalition forces led by Commander Keith. Their objective is to retrieve and secure the warheads and rescue the pilot before falling into enemy hands. But we ain't gonna let them do that. Myself, Commander Hudson, will be leading the militia. Our objective is to prevent the Coalition forces from retrieving the missile warheads. We need to locate enemy secure storage and blow it. Let's put on a show. Blow their fuel depot to Kingdom Come. They're gonna try and save the pilot. Hunt him down. Do not let him leave alive. Suppose the only question now is, whose side are you on? Right, squad, we've got a enemy on that left side somewhere.
Why play your bullets? Well, where's all that, mate? You can't keep me here. I'm in my safe zone. This is my safe place. Oh, that's us over there, man.
Right, we are being pinned down here, boys.
I mean, that's cool and all, but have we got anyone over the right side?
We must do. We've got a friendly up. Right, boys, what can we see?
2 people on the fence, 2 people behind the
Copy that. We've got 2 fence side,
Yeah.
2 right side somewhere.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
We've got 2 fence, 2 right side somewhere.
Too much fucking hot.
Sorry.
Oh, there we go. And that's spot on there.
I thought I shot him as he stood up then.
Shoot a fucking fingertip.
As we see Shrek trekking through his swamp.
What are you doing in my...
Right, we need to try and take village. Village needs to be ours again.
It's ours, isn't it?
I don't know, because we're being pinned down from somewhere.
I mean, we've got plenty of guys in there.
Well, we need to push out of village to start taking more ground.
Banner,
Yo,
I'm going to go back around this bush and try and push on that path.
copy that.
There's 2 people there.
Friendly down left side. Oh, he's walking back to spawn. Oh, careful, bud. Right, I'm going to try and push the right side. Got a guy, green teepee, inside of it. You are? I can't hear you, bud.
Are we going that way?
Yeah, we need to try and stop them from taking the boxes. And we need to try and advance forward and take some more ground.
Yeah, because look at anywhere fast.
Connor, watch your left hand side. There's a guy in the tree line. There's a guy behind the TV, and I think there's a couple in that closest up there.
Copy that, we've got two on the fence line, somewhere down this left side.
One or two behind the metal girder.
Green TP, green TP.
Weapon hit! That was a fucking good shot that as well. Don't shoot my gun! Huh?
Oh,
Fucking close, Emma!
we got 2 or 3 targets at the green TP. How are we doing on the left side?
It's quiet!
Try and advance up. We think we've got shots further up on the left.
We are getting rained on here. We really need to move out of here. There's definitely someone on that left side.
Yeah,
isn't there, Laura?
someone on that left side. Try and advance it.
I don't know, can I just see Joey Smoke, we're gonna rush. Whoa!
Oh, hit. Good shot.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh! 1 minute, Connor.
Copy that.
I don't know if I've got contact.
Receiving, send it.
Oh shit. I'm just gonna have to run from somewhere.
Copy that, mate. Get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Right, guys, we need to push them right side, the right side. Down. Still guys with a TP, we need to try and push that right side. Yo guys, can you give us some cover? I'm gonna push to you. You ready? Fire! Woo! Right guys, we need to be pushing that right side. They have most of the objective, but there's still one available on the right side over the river.
Right, so we need to cross over.
Yeah, some of us need to cross over, some of us need to hold ground here.
Ready? Are you going that way?
Yeah, we're gonna go straight down this way.
I'm going to go
Right, I'll take a couple of you with me, but a few of you need to try and hold your ground.
I'll go.
Someone on that fence line, left side. Woo! Right, you guys ready? Yeah. Squad on me, ready? Let's go, go, go! Hit!
Hey!
I need a medic. You can't get me, mate. Need a red medic.
I'm not better.
Friendly! Friendly! Friendly!
These are friendly.
Friendly!
They're shooting at us.
I know, don't shoot back.
Militia team coming out.
How long you recognise your commander?
Just go nail him.
Militia's coming through. Right boys, how are we looking? We all right? Copy that. Right, we need to push up because apparently they've got one more box and it's on this side somewhere.
Need a smoke?
No, don't smoke it yet. Copy that.
The road's not as defended. So you have like 2 sniper points.
Can we get someone in the bush?
Kill them, then we'll
Hey, can you move up into the bush?
Whew.
I call myself the coordinator. Nice.
So we know we got that kill, don't we?
Connor,
Yo,
see the blue barrel in front of us?
copy that.
12 o'clock, Connor.
Behind it, just to the left of it.
Behind this wooden barricade. Popping his head up. There's one popping his head over the wooden barricade, the closest one, my 12. See if you're getting sniper.
Right guys, let the smoke breathe and then push on it.
No. Wait, we need to push.
Connor, they threw it.
They threw it, but let's take advantage of it. We need to get some more ground.
We need to get further up. Get
Yo!
people on the road.
Or can we get a strike team
Copy that.
on the
Get on
road?
the road. Yeah. Get on the road and move down.
Watch out, there might be someone waiting for you.
We try and advance on that smoke, make the most of it.
How big is smoke right now?
Reloading. Fuck, what have we done, Bones?
My phone. Left.
Copy that. Left side.
Big old shot. Hey! Right side, the road.
On the road!
Stop the road. Hit.
Send it, mate. Weapon hit. Copy that, mate. Good shot, mate. Dead man.
Guys, big one, truck, pushing up back.
Right, guys, keep an eye out for missiles. If you find one, start sending it. Well, surely I should be in the middle. I'm the boss here.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I'm the boss.
I'll take anything I can get, mate.
That's what she said. Hey!